This one is Minion.
Yeah.
Hello Kitty. Oh, I like those. Look, I like those eggs. Look at this. Oh, look at this. So we have so many minions here, so many colorful balls, and look at this one. This is the awesome one with so many eggs. You can see. All right, start playing.
I don't know how to.
So what's happening here?
How do you play? God, you pick a hard game.
You get an egg.
Yes, it just falls.
Open it. See the surprise.
Aww, that's so cute.
It's really
It's
cute.
a little doggy.
So this is the egg games you play here.
You have to insert.
Let me show you the chicken. And lots of eggs are here. Go ahead and show you the next one. Here you can see minion. This is how you play. How many does it require? 2? Because
It
minion
says
has so many
$1. It says $1.
things. Okay. I like this one. It's so colorful. So many games. So many different color balls. This one. Really colorful. Well, look at this one. This one is packed with like plush toys. So we're trying to play this one, which is really colorful. Okay, go ahead. Hopefully we'll get one blue balls. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Where does it come? We're gonna get this one probably. Did you get one?
Yeah, I got a ball.
Ah, okay, go take that. Oh, you're struggling to take that. Yeah. That's cool.
It's a ball.
Yeah. How does it fit? Oh. That's awesome.
Yep.
Which one you wanna play?
That one.
Oh, so many things to do.
Can I take pictures of you?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. You got it?
Yep.
Can you read Japanese? Good memory photo. How long will you stay? You present your son. Wow. Pretty car.
Pretty cat.
So sweet.
So at home, I'm trying to see what is inside, and it's really cool stuff. Look at this. It is pull back and go. Probably that's why they charge 200 yen more than the other one. And it came with a really cool paper. And look at this. It reminds me of Guido of Disney Cars. Look at this. Isn't it cool? Let's pull back and go. See that? Alright, let's go ahead and see what else surprises they have. So what I'm gonna do the same thing. I have like 200 yen. So the first 100 yen I put is a coin. Another one is coin too. The second 100 yen I put, and I have to twist it. Look at this. And the egg surprise will come beneath. You see the surprise? Alright, it's so fun and you don't know what's coming. I think a bridge. That's gonna be really fun to make. Alright, I'm gonna make it. So I brought it home and I'm trying to make a bridge on with this, and it turned out really good bridge. And you can put Thomas there.